Mary Moppets Guild, a STEAM learning lab. Let's do a fun and easy experiment to find out how strong different shapes are. We are going to test the strength of paper folded in differently shaped columns by piling books on top. This is similar to how columns are used to support buildings and other structures. The materials needed for this activity are 3 A4 size sheets of paper, scissors, tape and stack of books. Use the A4 size sheets of paper to make 3 different shaped columns using the paper lengthwise. First, I am going to be making a square shaped column. Fold the paper in half. Then fold each half again in the middle towards the center fold. So that you have 4 equal size segments of the paper. Fold the paper to form a square and secure with tape. Our square shaped column is now ready. Use the second sheet of paper. Fold the paper in thirds to form a triangle. This is the triangular shaped column. Use the last sheet of paper. Tape the edges together to form a circular. Stand the columns up. Stack books on top of the column carefully one by one until the column collapses. Use the same books in the same order until the column collapses and carefully note down the number of books you could place on top of each column. Let's start with the square column. I am going to place the books one by one on top of this. I could place 4 books on top of the square column. When I placed the 5th book, it collapsed. Now let's place the books one by one on top of the triangular column. I put 5 books on top of the triangular column. When I placed the 6th book, it collapsed. Now I am going to see what happens to the circular column. I could place 11 books on top of the circular column. We could place number of books on the circular column because its walls don't have any edges. The force of the books cannot become concentrated in one particular area. The load is distributed evenly. In other words, all parts of the cylinder are sharing the load of the books. All parts of the cylinder therefore contribute to its overall strength until it finally collapses. The square and the triangular columns deform more easily. They shift the weight of the books to their corners and edges, which deforms their walls and leads to a quick collapse. They are unable to support weight only at their edges. Get creative and test the strength of different. See you soon on the next session of Mary Moppet's Guild.